Hello, friends. It's your favorite teacher, your favorite buddy in the whole wide world, Miss Divo. And yes, you're welcome to Classroom Matters. Now, just like I posted on my blog yesterday, today we are going to have an activity. Yes, today we are going to learn how to draw a boy using the letters B-O-Y. Know many of us find it difficult to draw, how to get the eyes right, how to get the head right, the ears and all that. But today I'm going to be making it very simple for us. So I'm going to teach you how to draw a boy using the letter B-O-Y. Now, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on the subscription button and also click the thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment. Now, if you're already a subscriber, I just want to tell you I love you. Now, come along. So to draw our boy using letters, we are going to be needing one pencil, or preferably you can use a biro. I'm going to be using a biro. Then we are going to use our colors. Then we also have our plain sheet of paper. Now the first thing you want to do is to start by writing your letter B-O-Y, that is spelling boy. So have the B, my O, and my Y. So now that we've written our letters, we'll go ahead to fix our eyes. So we have the eyes here, and we'll have the second eyes here. Then we'll draw the lower part of the face. Now we'll go ahead to draw the ears. Our neck. We bring this way, and this comes this way. Then now we want to draw the hair. Now you can draw whichever hair you want to, but this is the one I'm going to be using today. So now we have to draw a nose and draw the mouth. So my baby boy here is smiling. Now that we are done with drawing, now we have to color. So I'm going to use this to color the skin. Now you have to be careful when filling in your colors so it doesn't extend to another part. Then I have my neck too. So I'm done filling in the skin. Then we move on to the hair. I'm going to be using brown for the hair. Now we move on to the t-shirt. I'm going to be using color red for the t-shirt. Don't forget, you can use any color you so desire. So So now we have our boy ready, and okay, let's give him a name. So I'm going to call him let's see, I'm going to call him Kelvin. So Mr. Kelvin is set. You can see Mr. Kelvin looking so handsome. Now you can see we've successfully drawn a boy using the letters B-O-Y. Now this is what I would love you to do. I want you to draw a boy too using letters B-O-Y, and you can send it to my email address, or you can send it to me on any of my social media pages or on my blog. Now, if you are yet to hit the subscribe button, please do so. Hit the subscribe button, click the thumbs up button, and also leave a comment. So we are done for today. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.